Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we will have a review on Union Budget 24-25. Fiscal prudence was the highlight of this budget, though the tinkering with the long-term capital gain tax and hike in the security transaction tax came as a negative surprise. Overall, it is a growth-oriented budget and markets would quickly adjust to the tax changes post the knee-jerk reaction today. Hence, investors could use the volatility to buy into quality stocks to ride the multi-year economic upcycle in the Indian economy. Earning growth is expected to remain strong, with consensus building a growth of 14 to 15% CAGR in Nifty over the next 2 years. Investment picks in the large cap space are TCS, Infosys, DLF, ITC, ICICI Bank, Mahindra & Mahindra, SBI, Ultratech Cement, L&T, Tata Motors, Dabur, Sun Pharma, Hero MotoCorp, NTPC, Power Grid and Coal India. Investment picks in the mid-cap space are Kajaria Ceramics, JK Lakshmi Cement, Bharat Forge, Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Persistent Systems, Sundaram Fasteners, Canfin Homes, Varun Beverages and Zydus Wellness. Investment picks in the small cap space are Kirloskar Oil Engines, Radico Khaitan, DEE Development, ABDL, Arvind Smart Spaces, KEC International, Garware High Tech, Lumex Auto Technologies, ISGEC Heavy Engineering and Imami Limited.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.